wood chips fall across this country's heart. Way out west in British Columbia, Timothy Anthony Lewis LeBlanc was cutting trees underneath the massive pine-scented sky. Shane Aladoudis is turning wood with ease, intricate CNC turning the numbers to sawdust. Down by the Wild River in Falls Rapids, Joshua James Dugas is learning all the ropes, working hard at Black River Woodworking, carving out his fortune and his hopes. Three brothers breaking up the wood chips now, from St. John, New Brunswick to Nanaimo shore, leaving a legacy written in the grain, working the timber forevermore. East Coast water, West Coast tall green trees, carrying the name upon the autumn breeze. Three brothers breaking up the wood chips now, from St. John, New Brunswick to Nanaimo shore, leaving a legacy written in the grain, working the timber forevermore. Timber falls, the legacy remains.